Hey guys, I'm just here to show you what happens as soon as I receive my lip gloss tubes, roller balls, novelty containers, whatever it may be. I do a very hot antibacterial wash. This is before I even put anything in here. I want to make sure the soap gets in each container just to be safe and clean for the sake of others. You don't want to deliver unsanitary products. It's kind of like before you drive, you want to put that seatbelt on, be safe. And these will be thoroughly rinsed and air dried for at least 3 days. You don't want any water remaining on any part of your tubes or any of the other items. Water can create mold, which we don't want that. We want happy customers. Happy. So if you're thinking about starting a business, or if you're currently running a lip gloss business or whatever it may be, please make sure to sanitize your items. It's just the right thing to do. I know it's tempting to take it right out of the package and throw it in a container and put it to the side, thinking, oh, it's clean, it just came from the factory. Well, it goes through a machine. Machines have oil, dust particles, you never know. So yeah, I want to make sure everything gets a nice hot bath. Coming soon, Lip Decor, lip glosses. Our website will be up soon. I will be doing more tutorial videos, but as of right now, we're just waiting on shipments. As you know, shipments are running a little behind because of what's going on in the world right now. But once we get there, we'll start making our batches in large quantities and posting it to the website. That way you can go check it out. See what you like. Shop around. Be safe out there, guys. Take care of yourself, families, and most important of all, wash your hands.